Hi guys, happy Wednesday. I just want to tell you that if you are going to your 9 to 5 job 4 and 5 days a week and still hustling afterwards, just kudos to you. Everybody else around you, doesn't matter what they think or what they're doing. You're working your ass off so that in the future you won't have to work hardly at all. Keep it up. It's fucking overwhelming. So overwhelming sometimes. Your friends think you're ditching them. Your family thinks you're not spending enough time with them. And you just know that you are doing it for them in the future and for you and for your family and your time and your freedom. So just keep pushing. Stay positive. Happy hump day. Get over that hump of Wednesday. And don't worry, it's going to get better. Just keep pushing. And if you want to know an easy step-by-step way to help get you there a little quicker, the link is, of course, in my bio. You already know.